Infiniti QX80 long-term review, a full-size luxury SUV with bold character. The Infiniti QX80 is Infiniti's flagship SUV, known for its bold styling, commanding road presence, and luxurious interior. As a full-size SUV, it competes in a highly demanding segment that includes the Cadillac Escalade, Lincoln Navigator, and Lexus LX. While the QX80 may not be the most technologically advanced or fuel-efficient option in its class, it offers a unique blend of power, refinement, and old-school SUV charm that continues to appeal to a specific type of buyer. Exterior design, bold and unmistakable. One of the most polarizing aspects of the QX80 is its exterior design. It features a large, upright front grille with chrome accents, sleek LED headlights, and a muscular, boxy silhouette that exudes authority on the road. The design reflects a traditional luxury SUV aesthetic with a touch of modern refinement. Its substantial size and high ground clearance give it a strong presence, whether parked or in motion. For drivers who want to make a statement, the QX80 certainly delivers. Powertrain and performance, strength over speed. At the heart of the QX80 lies a naturally aspirated 5.6-liter V8 engine that produces 400 horsepower and 413 lb-ft of torque. This engine is mated to a 7-speed automatic transmission, which delivers smooth shifts and solid acceleration for a vehicle of its size. The QX80 is available with either rear-wheel drive or Infiniti's all-mode 4-wheel drive system, which enhances traction in challenging conditions. Interior, spacious, comfortable, and premium. Inside, the QX80 offers a luxurious environment with seating for 7 or 8 passengers, depending on the configuration. The cabin is trimmed with high-quality materials such as leather upholstery, real wood accents, and soft-touch plastics. The front seats are wide and supportive, and the second-row captain's chairs provide exceptional comfort for long journeys. A bench seat option is available for families who need maximum passenger capacity. Technology and features. A mixed bag. In terms of technology, the QX80 offers a decent array of features, but some elements feel dated compared to its more recently updated rivals. The dual-screen infotainment system includes an upper screen for navigation and a lower screen for audio and climate controls. While Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now standard, the user interface lacks the modern polish of newer systems from competitors. Safety and driver assistance. Infiniti has equipped the QX80 with a robust suite of safety features. These include forward emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning and prevention, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, adaptive cruise control, and a surround view camera system. These technologies work well to increase confidence behind the wheel, especially given the SUV's size and weight. Fuel economy and practicality. Perhaps the biggest drawback of the QX80 is its fuel economy. With EPA ratings of around 14 miles per gallon city and 20 miles per gallon highway, depending on the drivetrain, the QX80 is far from efficient. This is expected for a V8-powered, body-on-frame SUV, but for environmentally conscious buyers or those looking to save on fuel costs, it may be a significant downside. Final verdict. A bold SUV for a specific buyer. The Infiniti QX80 isn't for everyone. It doesn't lead its class in technology, fuel economy, or modern design. But what it does offer is a powerful and luxurious driving experience that feels solid, confident, and comfortable. It's a throwback to the traditional luxury SUV ethos: big engine, big space, and big presence.